Hey guys, Miss Yeager here. I know you can't see me, but I'm teaching your lesson today. I figured you were probably sick of Khan Academy man's voice already, or YouTube man, whoever was on them. So today we're doing solving two-step equations. I know we've already done this before, but I haven't tested you on it yet, so I want to review with you again how to do it. All right, so things you need to remember. So don't forget your inverse operations. So remember addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Those are inverse operations. Okay, so those undo each other. Okay, so, and then I have some steps. So let me move my paper. So your steps are to circle or highlight the variable. Remember, the variable is just the letter, whatever letter it is you're solving for. Draw a line down your equal sign, get rid of any number not with the variable, and then get rid of any number that's with the variable. Okay, so here's our example one. Let me move down slightly so y'all can see. Okay, so circle my variable. So right here, so there's my variable x. Okay, the 2 is being multiplied to the x. Okay, remember, whenever a number and a letter are right next to each other, it's being multiplied. Okay, so I circled my variable. That's what I'm looking for. Step 2 says draw my line down my equal sign. And it says get rid of any number not with the variable. So by not with the variable, I mean not right next to each other, okay? So all of this right here that I'm boxing in is all together because the 2 is being multiplied by the x. So you have to get rid of, in this case, the addition part first. So opposite of addition is subtraction. So I subtract 6, bye-bye. But whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. I have to also subtract 6. So 10 minus 6 is 4. And then my 2x is still here. Okay, so this is, remember, 2, a little dot, because that means times x. Get rid of any number with the variable. Okay, so this 2 is with the variable. They're friends, but I need to get rid of it. So the opposite of multiply is divide. And whenever we do division, we do it as a fraction bar. Okay, we're not going to write the little division sign. Oh, you can't see. Okay, we're not going to write it like this. Okay, we're going to use a fraction bar because that's how next year when you're in algebra, that's how they're going to show it. So 2 divided by 2, that's gone because 2 divided by 2 is a 1. Okay, so I'm left with x equals 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so there's one example. Our other example is still, so I need my variable. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for is my y. Okay, this divided by 4, this is all one thing right now. Okay, none of that can be messed with because it's in this little box, divided by 4. Okay, the 10 is not part of that. So draw my line. Oops, sorry guys. So it's in minus 10, so the opposite of minus 10 is plus 10. If I add 10 to the left side, I have to add 10 to the right side. So I do my math. 14 plus 10 is a 24 equals. Bring down my y divided by 4. Okay, this right here is division. This is y divided by 4. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So times 4 times 4. Okay, this 4 and this 4 cancel out because that's what I was trying to do. So y equals 24 times 4 is going to be almost 100. It's 96. Okay, so y equals 96. So that's my final answer. If you're ever unsure if you're correct, you can check your answer. So let me change colors. Let's do turquoise. So let me get my other sheet of paper. Okay, let's say, where is it? There we go. Let's say I want to check to see if my solution is right. I know we've done this before. It's been a minute, but let's check to see if my solution is correct. So if I check, that means I'm taking my answer X, which is 2, and plugging it back in. So it's this is the original. I'm just rewriting it. Okay, so all I did was rewrite it. And right here, remember we said it's multiplied. So I'm taking out this X and putting in this 2. So this 2 comes down times this X is now a 2. Plus 6 stays equals 10 stays. Okay, what's 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Bring down the 6 has to equal 10. Okay, now I'm adding these together. 4 plus 6 is not 6. Why am I writing 6? 4 plus 6 is 10. And then I'm just bringing this down. I haven't changed anything. So is 10 equal to 10? Is that a true statement? Yes, that's true. I only did math on the left side. All I did with this 10 every time was just bring it down. So you're only messing with one side because that's the only side that has X. Okay, let's look at this guy. So again, I'm just going to rewrite it. Y over 4 minus 10 equals 14. Okay, and the only part I'm replacing is right here because I know it's 96. So that's 96 divided by 4 stays minus 10 stays equals 14. All of that turquoise part stays. So 96 divided by 4, I don't know about you, but I'm going to use my calculator, is 24. Okay, so this right here is 24. Minus 10 just comes down, equals 14, just comes down. I'm going to scoot up. 24 minus 10 is a 14, equals 14. Is that true? Yeah, 14 and 14 are the same number. So the question I can ask myself is y equals 96 a solution to the equation? And our equation was this. Is it in the solution? Yes, yes it is. Or for this one on the left, is x equals 2 a solution to 2x plus 6 equals 10? When I did the math out and I plugged it in, yes, 10 is 10. So is 2 a solution to this equation? Yes, it is. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to see if I can find another video on this as well. And you have a worksheet in your review packet. I can't remember what page it is, but that will be your homework to do. And you will not have a quiz to do, but instead you will have to take a picture of it and upload it to Canvas. So I look forward to seeing your work for those. Remember, no work, no credit. And again, I know you can't see my face right now, but just know, remember, you have to show me all of your steps. Okay, I hope this made sense. I will post this video and post these completed notes on Canvas for y'all. Bye guys, miss you.